In the meantime, a special probe task force has been formed by the Police Region 3 Office 3 to run after and round up 7 suspects who participated in the set-up slay of a staff sergeant detailed with the Police Drug Enforcement Group who was lured to his death 2 weekends ago. The suspects include rogue cops among them, the triggerman, and all of whom have a collective bounty of ₱1 million on their heads to expedite their capture, as our Ryan Lisigas reports.
A series of gunshots ended the life of Police Staff Sergeant Renato Casawe Jr., who was assigned to the Drug Enforcement Group Special Operations Unit 3. In this closed-circuit television or CCTV footage, Casawe can be seen arriving at the house of his police assets in Bulacan. Moments later, successive gunshots echoed.
Sige na, tutuloy yung dugo pa rin. Tutuloy yung dugo.
According to Police Regional Office 3 Director Police Brigadier General Rogelio Peñones, Casawe was shot by one of the suspects identified as Julian Salamat.
During the interrogation natin, lumalabas talaga doon na itong si Casawe, target na talaga nung ni Salamat dahil nagiging problema nila. Remember, yung may-ari ng bahay, HBI yan, yung Oliver Mauricio. And yung nahuli ni Casawe last December 24, tao ni Oliver Mauricio.
After the shooting, the suspects dumped Casawe's body into a septic tank.
Na-discover natin sa septic tank yung cadaver ni Staff Sergeant Casawe together yung kanya mga personal belonging. The cadaver was positively identified by his wife.
On January 24, which coincided with his birthday, Casawe asked permission from his wife, saying he was going to meet an asset in Malolos, Bulacan. However, he never returned the following day, prompting his wife to report him missing at the Baliwag Police Station.
And from the crime scene, we recovered empty shell. And based from the SOCO report, Corporal Casawe, mayroon siyang 3 tama ng baril, 1 sa ulo at 2 sa kamay. So makita natin na parang sinasangga niya. So ang primary suspect dito si Julian Salamat.
The incident was allegedly narrated by Salamat to Police Corporal Vivencio Abalos, but instead of making an arrest, the policeman allegedly remained silent.
Hindi niya inaresto dahil natakot daw siya.
The PNP has now 4 suspects in custody, including 1 police officer. The DILG has announced a ₱1 million reward for anyone who can provide information on the whereabouts of the remaining suspects. According to the DILG, the case is now considered solved. The PRO3 has also formed a special investigation task group to fast-track the arrest of 7 more perpetrators, including the gunman Julian Salamat. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.